Imagine waking up one morning, feeling like everything in your life is falling apart. The weight of failures, missed opportunities, and broken dreams feels unbearable. But then, a small voice whispers, "This is not the end. You can rebuild." That voice isn't just your imagination, it's the part of you that refuses to give up. Think of Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, she faced unimaginable hardships. She grew up in an unstable household, was abused as a child, and suffered the pain of losing a child at a young age. By the time she was a teenager, she could have easily believed that life had nothing good to offer her. But she didn't let her circumstances define her. She made a choice to fight for a better life. Oprah's journey wasn't easy. She faced rejection, setbacks, and discrimination. When she started her career in television, she was fired from her first job as a news anchor because she was unfit for television. Can you imagine how devastating that must have been? But instead of giving up, she used every setback as a stepping stone. Today, Oprah Winfrey is one of the most influential and successful people in the world, proving that no matter where you start, you can achieve greatness if you keep moving forward. Now think about your own challenges. Maybe you've lost a job, failed in school, or faced personal struggles that seem impossible to overcome. You've cried, doubted yourself, and perhaps even thought about giving up. But what if, like Oprah, these moments are not signs of failure but opportunities to grow stronger, to learn, and to rise? Take one small step today. Open a book, write down your dreams, or reach out to someone who inspires you. Remember, action is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to begin. Momentum builds when you move, even if it feels small at first. Visualize the life you want. Maybe it's a fulfilling career, a peaceful home, or traveling to places you've only dreamed of. Whatever it is, hold that vision close. That's your destination. Now imagine taking small steps toward it, just like Oprah did. You don't need to rush, you just need to keep moving. Life will test you. There will be days when it feels like the whole world is against you. On those days, remember Oprah's story. She turned every no into fuel for her fire, every failure into a lesson, and every challenge into a stepping stone. You can do the same. Wake up to your potential. Wake up to the incredible power inside you to rebuild, recreate, and reshape your life. It won't happen overnight, but every small step you take today will lead to a better tomorrow. Your story isn't over yet. Like Oprah, your greatest chapters are still ahead. So take a deep breath, stand tall, and begin your journey to greatness. No matter how tough your past has been, your future is still in your hands. You have the power to rise, rebuild, and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Remember, every great story starts with a comeback. Make today the beginning of yours. Your life is a blank canvas, and every new day is a chance to paint a masterpiece. No matter the obstacles, you have the strength to rise, the courage to rebuild, and the power to transform your dreams into reality. Remember, the greatest successes often emerge from the toughest challenges, and your story has the potential to inspire the world. This is your moment, embrace it, and make it extraordinary.